In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create certificates in LearnDash. Whether you're rewarding learners with a course completion certificate or marking a special achievement, getting this set up right is key for a professional and seamless experience. Let's dive into the process step by step, making sure you can follow along with ease. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard where LearnDash is installed. Once you're there, look to the side menu and find the section labeled LearnDash LMS. Under this, you'll see a subsection called Certificates. Click on that to open up the Certificate Management area. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Certificates section, you'll see an Add New button. This is your gateway to creating a brand new certificate. Clicking on Add New will open a blank canvas where you can start building your certificate from scratch. Now, it's time to give your certificate a title. Think of this title as the internal name you'll use later when you need to select this certificate for a particular course or quiz. Make it something clear and recognizable so you can easily find it in the future. Next up, we need a featured image. This image acts as the background and overall design of your certificate. When choosing an image, a .jpg file format is generally recommended, and try to keep it under 1 MB to ensure fast loading times and optimal performance. Also, think carefully about the size and orientation of your design. It should match what you intend for the final printed outcome. For instance, you might go for a standard US letter or A4 size, and depending on your design preference, it could be either portrait or landscape. If you're planning on including text within your featured image itself, there is a little caveat to keep in mind. Any text embedded in the image will remain static, meaning it won't change from one user to another. For dynamic elements such as the learner's name or course details, you'll want to use LearnDash-specific dynamic shortcodes outside the image. These shortcodes work wonders as they pull the appropriate data and make each certificate truly unique to the learner. And there you have it, your foundational steps to crafting a certificate in LearnDash. This setup not only enhances your learner's experience by providing visually appealing certificates, but also adds that extra level of professionalism to your courses. With these instructions at your fingertips, you're well on your way to creating polished and customized certificates that both you and your learners will appreciate. Thanks for watching, and happy certifying!